friends and fellow mathematicians too. Now let us begin. The first problem we are looking at today in the math study guide is Chapter 9, Problem 4. Step 1. Simplify. First, to simplify, remove the 4 and the 2, and then remove the 2 from the radical, and you get 2 rad 2. Then you remove the 9 and the 2 from the radical, and you get 3 rad 2. Then you remove the 8 and the 4 from the radical, and you get 4 rad 2. Step 2. You must add. You add the 2 rad 2 to the 3 rad 2 to the 4 rad 2, and that becomes 9 rad 2. Always remember, children, never to multiply the number inside the radical. Next chapter. Moving on to Chapter 11, Problem 25. It says here to find the area. So first we will begin by finding the area of this triangle, which is the smallest part of the trapezoid. And as we know from our right triangle families, the number that is grouped with 10 and 6 is 8, which means that the area of the formula to find the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, and we have our base and our height, so it's 1/2 times 6, and 6 times 8, which is 48, so it's 1/2 48, which equals 24. So the area of this triangle is 24 units squared. Next, we are going to find the area of this rectangle, and we have the base and the height, so it is 8 times 12, which equals 96. So the area of the trapezoid is 96 units squared. Now you have to find the area of this triangle, so you would bring the 8 over right here. So it's 8, and you have to understand that this is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. So you could bring the 8 down right here too. And then to find the area of the whole triangle, you would multiply 8 times 8, which equals 64, and then you go back to the formula, which is 1/2 base times height, so it's 1/2 64, which is 32. So you know that this triangle is 32 units squared. And then what you do is you would add the areas of the 3 different parts together. So 24 plus 96 plus 32, which equals 152 units squared, which is your final answer. Taking it back to Chapter 9, we're going to take a look at problem number 40. And it says here to find the length of the side base. So this is the side base right here, that's what we're trying to find. And it gives you the slant height, which is right here. It says that's 26, and it gives you the altitude, which is the dotted line, the funky looking dotted line in the middle, and it says that that is 24. So what we're going to do is take the triangle out of the square rectangular pyramid, and we have the line right here as 24 because that was the altitude, and 26, which is the slant height. And then what we can do is the right angle theorem, and 26, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and the hypotenuse is 26, so 26 squared is equal to 26 squared is equal to, let me just figure that out here real quick. 26 times 26. Hold on. Your calculator. Just kidding. It does. 676 and 24 times 24 equals 576. So you're going to subtract 576 from 676, which equals 100. That is the length of the base, which is only half the base of the whole pyramid. So you're not done yet. You need to times that by 2, which equals 20. So your answer, my children, is 20 units.